Instagram has a map that can show people exactly where you are, and most people have never even opened it. Let me show you how to make sure yours is off. Open Instagram and tap the Messages tab at the bottom. Tap Map at the top of your inbox. Tap the Settings icon in the top corner. Tap No One. Now it asks how long for. Pick the one that keeps it off until you turn it back on, not the 3 or 24-hour ones, or it starts sharing again on its own. And that's it. Nobody can see your location on the map now. One thing though, this only covers your live location. If you tag a place in a post or a story, that can still show up on the map, so watch out for that when you post. And if you want Instagram off your location completely, go to your phone settings, find Instagram, tap location, and set it to don't allow. Save this and go check your own settings right now. Follow us for more quick tips like this, and tell me what app you want me to cover next. And if someone on Facebook Messenger won't stop messaging you, there's a way to block them without Messenger ever telling them. Tap the video on your screen, and I'll show you how.